Hi. Drop it in the corner.
Yep, right there.
Yeah.
Do you
Yeah.
know how long it will take?
It's gonna take me like probably 15 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
Usually
Take your time.
20
You're good.
minutes.
You're good.
Okay.
Take your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course, this one is good, but privacy one is a little thicker than this one.
Yeah.
It's gonna protect it so much better. Because like, look at this. I kept dropping and like and breaking it. So would you be able to leave a Google review if I send you the link profile?
Yeah.
Thank you. So the total actually is gonna be $345. And you said you want to do Apple Pay?